by the Parama Kripa of Madhuri Saki Sameda, Premika the Thakurji, by the grace of Ponnu Guruvayurappan, we are very blessed to learn Narayaniam. Today is Friday, and Sharad Purnima, we just had beautiful kirtans in Namadwa. The moon is shining brightly in Atlanta. So, bowing down to the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna, let us begin today's chapter. We are doing Akrura Yatra today, Dashagam 72, very important chapter. Kamsodhanaradagira Vrajavasinam Tvam Akanyadhirna Hridaya Sahigadineyam Ahuya Karmukavakachalato Bhavandam Anedumena Mahinodagina Dashayim Kamsodhanaradagira Vrajavasinam Tvam Akanyadhirna Hridaya Sahigadineyam Ahuya Karmukavakachalato Bhavandam Anedumena Mahinodagina Dashayin. So last chapter we have seen Narada has come and telling Kamsa, reminding him one more time, you know that daughter of Yashoda really, a daughter of Devaki, you thought it was really daughter of Yashoda, and you thought, the 8th child is not there and the 8th child is a girl, but really the 8th child is very much alive and growing in Gokulana, and Narada Tundivittar provoked Kamsa one more time. Since the Avadara Karya has come, the time has come for the Avadara Karya. So Kamsoda Narada Gira, hearing the words of Narada, Kamsa sent Akrura to Gokula, Vrindavana, to bring Bhagavan. Akanya, hearing that Bhagavan is, Krishna is very much there and he is actually Sakshat Narayana, Kamsa with a Dheerna Hridayana Bhayantrud. Kamsa is going to attain Bhagavan with fear emotion. This Kamsa is very powerful. Let us see who Kamsa is really. From the last Avatara during the time of Amrita Mathanam, when all Asuras were on one side and Devas are on one side and they churned the ocean, etc. There was an Asura called Kalanemi, and Bhagavan killed Kalanemi at that time. That Kalanemi, he was full of revengeful attitude and to Narayana, and with that thought he died with fear and anger, everything. And then he want to have a fight with Narayana. That is his goal at the last thought. And then their life left, so he is reborn. So these Asuras, even though Bhagavan has killed, but they are reborn again. That's why in the Krishna Avatara it says, even though all the Asuras are killed by Bhagavan, Shukracharya brought them to life. Shukracharya brought Kalanemi back to life, and then he was again reborn again. Next birth, he was born as the son of Ugrasena, and he has that emotion of anger and enmity to Narayana from birth. So he is doing intense tapas like Hiranyakashipu. He is doing tapas for so long time, 100 divine years means long time for us. Like that, he did tapas, and then Brahmaji appeared. So Brahmaji, is very difficult to make Brahmaji appear, but he came because intense tapas. Kamsa is reduced to mere bones in the body. His tormented body, and does tapas like this, it will have effect. So Brahmaji says, "What? Ask me any bone." Kamsa says, "No gods should be able to kill me." So the Devas, nobody of the Devas should be able to kill me. Brahmaji says, "You are asking for very difficult boon, but I shall give." So Kamsa is, sure that nobody can kill him. And he has so much strength. What is the strength he has? He is going roaming everywhere. He can lift mountains just like that. He goes everywhere. At that time, there is Jarasandha. Jarasandha also wants to conquer all the places on earth. So he has set up camps in various places, and he has lot of elephants and big armies are there. His big elephant Kuvalaya Pida is there. the Jarasandha elephant come originally. Kamsa is coming that area and he saw Kuvalaya Pida, the elephant, and that Kuvalaya Pida, one elephant is equal to 100 elephants. That is the power of that elephant. Kamsa, with just one kick, he toppled that elephant. Then that elephant actually, it was angry with Jarasandha and had gone away to another place. And there only Kamsa saw the elephant and he kicked the elephant, and the elephant came right back to Jarasandha's kutir, Jarasandha's camp. Jarasandha saw the strength of Kamsa. He says, wow, what strength you have. Then only he gave his two daughters to Kamsa to marry. He was admiring strength of Kamsa. And so like this, Kamsa married the daughters of Jarasandha, and they are friends. And then Kamsa is still not satisfied. He meets Chanura. Chanura is another powerful asura. Kamsa says, either I will fight with you. If you win, I will be your servant. If I win, you will be my servant. He fight with Chanura, he defeats him. Chanura became his servant. Again, he went and met Mushtika. Mushtika, another, he used to be keeping on wrestling Kamsa. So Mushtika, the wrestler, came. He defeated him. He became his servant. Then more people came like Bakasura, Chanura, Mushtika, Pralamba, Baka, Chanura. Like that, all the asura names will come. Every asura he has conquered like this by his might. So we'll see all the asura Kamsa has sent so far, right? The Trinavarta, Aghasura, Bakasura, Dhenukasura, Pralambasura, all of them have come and attacked Bhagavan, right? All of them were conquered by Kamsa first, and then they became his servants. And then now they are working for him, so Kamsa has sent each one to kill Bhagavan. Everybody is very powerful, all of them. And so Kamsa is more powerful than them. Every asura now became his ally. And then he's still not satisfied. He once goes to the Mahendra Parvata, he lifts the mountain. How our men will do weightlifting? He lifts the mountain, holds it, drops it. Again he lifts the mountain, holds, and then drops. This is practice for muscle. 7 times he lifts the mountain and drops it. Who is there? Parshurama. He is doing tapas in the area. He got so angry with Kamsa. He's about to, he says, you are such a mosquito. You have no strength. You just have an inflated pride. You are a waste. I'm about to kill you right now. Parshurama is telling. Kamsa immediately he fell at the feet. Kamsa says, I'm not a Kshatriya, O Lord. I am a demon. I am an asura and I am your servant. Please don't be angry with me. So when he immediately did pranam, Parshurama, anger subsided and he said, okay. And then he gave, let me see if you can break this bow. The Dhanush he is giving. This Dhanush, Narayana has given to Lord Shiva during the time of Tripura Vijayam. That Shiva has given to me at the time of the vanquishing of the Kshatriyas, and this bow I am giving to you. If you can string that bow, then I will understand that you are powerful. So Kamsa, it is so hard with that bow. It weighs like 1,000 tons. That is just my word, but it's so heavy. We can't even touch 1,000 tons. Like that. You imagine the weight. So Kamsa just effortlessly lifts the bow, and then he pulls the strength and he releases, and then his strength is amazed. Even Parshurama was amazed to see his strength. He says, okay, you can have this bow. So that bow ceremony kidan ipo, and the bow is with Kamsa. And Kamsa is going to send Akrura to first for that bow breaking ceremony to see if Parshurama has said, this bow, whoever breaks this bow will kill you. He has said, Parshurama. So Kamsa has that bow. But he is so powerful than everyone. Just get idea of his strength. So Bhagavan killed all these asuras, right? Pralamba, Asura, Denuka, Asura, Baka, Asura, Vatsa, Asura. They are all each powerful, and Bhagavan killed all of them. Kamsa also is killing all of them. He is better than all of them. Kamsa is, you can imagine, as equal to Bhagavan in strength almost, because Brahmaji has blessed him. Brahmaji, see, for evil to sustain, good has to hold it. Brahmaji is first Bhagavan Nabilend Brahmaji. And all power Brahmaji has because Bhagavan himself takes the form of Brahmaji for creation. So that is the powerful tapas. Adilend Kamsa got the strength and blessing. So he is equal to Bhagavan in strength. All these asuras, they are servant of Kamsa, he is of their boss. And Bhagavan has also killed all of them. And the bow, Kamsa is inviting, telling Akrura, you go and bring Krishna Balram here, and we are going to have a nice Dhanur Yaga. And for that, you should bring. So like that, this Akrura, so many years, he has been waiting to get darshan of Bhagavan, and Kamsa was stopping him from going. He is in Mathura only, but he could not go to Vrindavan because he was afraid of the king. Guruvayurappan, when he will make our paristhiti anukulam. If we keep doing sadhana, Bhagavan will slowly remove all the vignanga, all the obstacles, and make it anukulam. So that Kamsa who was stopping first, he himself is telling, you go and go to Vrindavana and you bring Krishna Balram. So, Ahuya Karmugamaka Chalato Bhavandam Ane Dumena Mahino Rahina Dashayin. Apdi Kamsa is Akrura is coming. Akrurayesha Bhavadangi Paraschidaya Darshanakshama Kshitipala Vidya Tasyajnayaiva Punarikshidumudyatastvam Ananda Bharam Atibhuri Dhanam Bhavara. Akrura is telling, I got a chance to see Krishna and he is Ananda Bharam. He is feeling so much delight that I was stopped so many years. Now he himself is telling there. Akrura is telling, it is all your grace, Krishna ne, very happily, Anandama is preparing to come. Soyam pratena sukriti bhavato nivasam gachan manorathaganam swaidhadyamana aswadayan muhurapaya bhayena daivam samprarthayan patina kinchidapi vyajanat. Soyam rathena sukriti bhavato nivasam gachan manorathaganam swaidhadyamana aswadayan muhurapaya bhayena daivam samprarthayan patina kinchidapi vyajanat. He came Sukriti, he has so much punya. That is why he got the chance to bring Bhagavan. It is said that in Ramayana it was Sumantra who took Rama and Lakshmana to the forest. That same Sumantra is now Akrura. He is bringing Bhagavan from forest to the city. There he went from city to forest. Today he is going to bring from forest, Vrindavan forest to the city Mathura. It seems the same Sumantra, minister, now also minister of Kamsa. That Akrura is lot of. This shows that we all have previous janmas, like how we are telling Kamsa had previous janma, all the Asura had previous janma. Like that, our Hindu, which is correctly coming, we all get more and more chance until we attain perfection. That is the Kripa of Bhagavan. That is our Hinduism. Reincarnation is actually Kripa for us. To give another chance to clear and attain perfection, another life. Until we get perfection, we have to be born again and again and again. So, Akrura is born again. He was Sumantra there. Now he is Akrura. He is the Sukriti. Bhavato Nivasam. He comes to Vrindavana. Gachan Manoarthaganam. His mind is flying everywhere. All the kamanas are coming. Well, Bhagavan, how will Bhagavan look? How, will he give me darshan immediately? Will he come and ask me who I am? Will he come and hug me? Will he inquire about me? The moment I see him, I will fall at his feet. All this, like how we all prepare when we go to Guruji darshan or go to some temple darshan, Guruvayur and all. From India only we'll prepare, right? Like that, Akrura is planning and already mind is flown over there. And so many thoughts he's getting. He's praying, Krishna, please remove all the obstacles. So in this canto, we chant before we take our yatra. Always I chant this. My Guruji told, just before any travel, you should chant this chapter to remove all the obstacles. So always it has helped me in many situations. So Akrura himself is thinking of Bhagavan to remove all obstacles, and smoothly the chariot is going towards Vrindavana. From Mathura to Vrindavan, it takes about 3 hours by car. So it would take that much time. Like that is going. Rakshami Veda Shadagita Gatim Pumansam Sprakshami Kim Svidapi Nama Parishvajeyam Kim Vakshade Sakhaluma Kwanu Vikshitasyade Itram Ninaya Sabhavanmayameva Margam Rakshami Veda Shadagita Gatim Pumansam Sprakshami Kim Svidapi Nama Parishvajeyam Kim Vakshade Sakhaluma Kwanu Vikshitasyade Ittam Ninayasa Bhavanmayameva Margam. So Akrura is thinking, I'm going to see that Bhagavan who all the Vedas are singing the praise of that Bhagavan. That Bhagavan is the gati for everyone, is the ultimate goal for all of us. Veda Shata Gita Gatim, the hundreds of Vedas sing his glories, is our ultimate goal. That Guru Arpan, how will I see him? Will Bhagavan come and embrace me? Sprakshyami, will he touch me? Will he embrace me? Kim Svitapi Nama Parishvajeyam, will he ask my name? Will he embrace me? Kim Vakshade Sakhaluma Kwanu Vikshitasyade, what will he speak to me? Where will I see him? Will he be in the Goshala, or will he be inside the house, or will he be under a tree somewhere? Where will I see him? All these imaginations are going like that, thinking about Bhagavan continuously. He is coming. Chittam Ninayasa Bhavanmayam Eva Margam, entire Margam is thinking about Krishna. Then Bhuyakraman Abhivishan Bhavadangri Budam Vrindavanam Hara Virincha Surabhivandyam Anandamagna Iva Lagna Iva Pramohe Kim Dashantaram Avapana Pankajaksha Bhuyakraman Abhivishan Bhavadangri Budam Vrindavanam Hara Virincha Surabhivandyam Anandamagna Iva Lagna Iva Pramohe Kim Dashantaram Avapana Pankajaksha. Akrura is coming towards the evening time. He is reaching Vrindavana. This Vrindavana, it is such a auspicious place which is full of divine sanctity that even Lord Shiva and Brahma wish to have, stay in Vrindavan. They wish to become grass or a stone or a tree, something, make me something in Vrindavana. All the gods beg to Bhagavan. And the Vrindavana which even Shiva, Brahma and all gods worship. Not many people had chance to visit Vrindavan. Akrura was one of the lucky ones. So he is so delighted to go to that Vrindavana. Is immersed, and when you see the air itself in Vrindavan, when you enter itself, you would see the air of love is there in Vrindavana, because it is Radha and Krishna's residence. Adnala Vrindavanam Bhaje Vrindavanam Nityam Vrindavanam Bhaje Vrindavanam Vrindavanam Bhaje Vrindavanam Nityam Vrindavanam Bhaje वृन्दावन खगमृगभ्रमिदं वृन्दावन विविध पुष्पैरलङ्कृतं वृन्दावनम् खगमृगभ्रमिदं वृन्दावन विविध पुष्पैरलङ्कृतं वृन्दावनम् वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं नित्यं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं यमुनालालि वृन्दावनं नित्यरासोत्सवस्थलं वृन्दावनं यमुनालालितं वृन्दावनं नित्यरासोत्सवस्थलं वृन्दावनं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं नित्यं वृन्दावनं वृन्दावनं हरिचरणागितं वृन्दावनं कृष्णलीलास्थलं श्रीवृन्दावनं हरिचरणागितं वृन्दावनं कृष्णलीलास्थलं श्रीवृन्दावनं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं नित्यं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं भूलोक गोलोकं वृन्दावनं कृष्णभक्तानामाश्रयं वृन्दावनं भूलोक गोलोकं वृन्दावनं कृष्णभक्तानामाश्रयं वृन्दावनं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं नित्यं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं भक्तचित्ताकर्षणं वृन्दावनं ब्रह्मनिष्ठाकर्षकं वृन्दावनं भक्तचित्ताकर्षणं वृन्दावनं ब्रह्मनिष्ठाकर्षकं वृन्दावनं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं नित्यं वृन्दावनं भजे वृन्दावनं not only bhakta but also brahmanishta all of them devotees want to go to Vrindavana where all the animals are roaming freely. There are beautiful forests and trees and creepers, beautiful Yamuna water is flowing everywhere and Krishna Charanamrita is everywhere. The lotus footprints of Bhagavan are in Vrindavana, that Vrindavana which is even worshipped by the gods there. Akrura is blessed to enter, so he is in a state of ecstasy. He is going, and then the moment he reached Vrindavana, he jumps from his chariot and he starts rolling on the ground. Pashyannavandana bhavat vihridi sthalani pamsushvaveštana bhavat charanangiteshu kim brumahe bahujanahi tadapi jataha evam tu bhakti tarala virala paratman Pashyannavandana bhavat vihridi sthalani pamsushvaveštana bhavat charanangiteshu kim brumahe bahujanahi तदापि जाताः एवं तु भक्ति तरला विरला परात्मन् विहृदिस्थलानि. But the moment Akrura saw he is rolling on the ground, seeing that I see my Krishna's footprint here, he is doing namaskaram and he is rolling and feeling intense bhakti. His state is beyond description. Kim Brumahe, what can I say? Bhattadri is telling how much punya this Akrura has. Kim Brumahe Bahujana Tadapi Jata. Many bhaktas were there, but only few are like Akrura who got blessing to go to Vrindavana. Like that, Kim Brumahe Bahujana Tadapi Jata. Evam tu Bhakti Tarala. Very intense devotion only. Very few had like Akrura. He is telling. So that Akrura reached in the evening. Sayam sa gopa bhavanani bhavacharitra pitamrida prasrida karna rasayanani paschan pramoda sarideva kilokyamano gachan bhavana sannidhim anvayasid. Sayam sa gopa bhavanani bhavacharitra pitamrida prasrida karna rasayanani Pasyan pramoda sanideva kilokyamano gachan bhavana sannidhim anvayasite. Evening dusk time, sandhya time, and he reached always remembering Krishna's beautiful leelas all the time when they are milking the cow, when they are carrying the curd everywhere to sell, when they are doing any housework, when they are talking and meeting with each other. Always they are narrating Krishna Leela and Krishna Charitra, always singing. So Akrura enters in that beautiful evening time. How beautiful Vrindavan will be always. They only say Radhe 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 Ratto Rasna, Radhe 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 Ratto Rasna, शोभा जगमगाए सूरत में जो उतना, शोभा जगमगाए सूरत में जो उतना, राधे 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 रस के देखो, राधे राधे राधे. Everybody says, ordinary person bringing the milkman or the kamwali or all the people always Radhe Radhe. So like that he's entering there. Karna Rasayanani. It feels like feast for the ears. But then Pashchan Pramoda Sarideva Gilohyamano, all like the beautiful river Atma, this Leelas of Bhagavan are coming everywhere. This caught in the river of joy. He's enjoying that. Then Gachan Bhavad Bhavana Sannidhim Anvayasit, and he saw Bhagavan and Balram. How did Bhagavan, where did he give darshan? Tavat Dadarsha Pashudoha Vilokalolam Bhaktotama Gatimiva Pratipalayandam Bhuman Bhavandam Ayamagra Javandamandaha Brahmanubodhi Rasa Sindhu Vivodvamandam Brahmanubodhi Rasa. He got the Brahmananda. He saw Bhagavan and Balram in the Goshala just fresh after the evening bath. Tavat Dadarsha Pashudoha Vilokalolam Bhaktottama Gatimiva. As though Bhagavan is waiting, Uttama Bhakta is coming today and Bhagavan is waiting first. As though. So, Bhaktottama Gatimiva Pratipalayandam Bhuman Bhavandam Ayamagra Javandamandaha Brahmanubodhi Rasa Sindhumivodvamandam. And Balrama in the Goshala, and they are watching the milking of the cows, and they just had evening bath. And then Bhagavan is dressed in simple dress with the dhoti and pagdi, but not many ornament. In Vrindavana is the Madhurya Bhava. There is no Aishwarya and power. Here there is sweetness, Madhurya Bhava. That is Vrindavana. So he is just wearing simple dress, and he wants Akrura to see him. So his Tirumeni is open for Akrura to get darshan. He is giving beautiful darshan, Bhagavan. When we get darshan in Guruvayur, etc., we'll feel, wow, I got good darshan, Bhagavan is pleased. Means you feel so much, anandam. Like that, Bhagavan, Akrura is getting such a beautiful darshan beyond anything he imagined. The moment he came near, he forgot his name, and Bhagavan came and hugged him. Akrura, he wanted to say, Naan Akruran Vandriken. He wanted to say, me Akrura has come, but he forgot himself. That is what we want, to forget ourselves. Akrura, he forgot who he was. The energy from there, Brahmananda is coming from there. So, Brahma Anubodhi Rasa. He was drowned in the ocean of Brahmananda. Coming from outside and also inside, it's ebbing. Like that, Brahmananda is experiencing Bhuman Bhavandam Ayamagra Javandamandaha Brahmanubodhi Rasa Sindhumivodvamandam. Like that, Krishna Balram are giving darshan as though Bhagavan himself is waiting for Uttama Bhakta to come. Always it is Bhagavan doing more prayatnam to get us, rather than we think we are doing everything, Actually, Bhagavan is the one who is doing all the work. From childhood, he has been following us quietly behind, and so that we don't go stray across in a wrong way. It is Bhagavan who is doing more work than us, it seems. So Bhagavan is waiting. Uttama Bhakta ne Akrura got darshan. Sayanda, how did they look? Sayandana plava vishesha vivikta gatrau द्वौ पीतनीलरुचिराम्बरलोभनीयौ नादिप्रपञ्चधृतभूषणवेषौ मन्दस्मितार्द्रवदनौ स युवां ददर्श सायन्दनाप्लव विशेष द्वौ पीतनीलरुचिराम्बरलोभनीयौ नादिप्रपञ्चधृतभूषणचारुवेषौ मन्दस्मितार्द्रवदनौ स युवां ददर्श. Balram, after evening bath, Bhagavan wearing the yellow pitambara and Balramji wearing the blue Pita Neela Ruchira Ambara Lobaniyo. They look very beautiful with beautiful silk garment and Na Adi Prapancha Dhrita Bhushana. See, they did not wear purposely too many ornaments because they want Akrura to get a good look. So, out of Karuna, Bhagavan is showing, giving beautiful darshan. Nadi prapanchadrita bhushana charuveshau mandasmidadravadano. Not only that, giving soft smile also. With gentle pace, Bhagavan is looking at Akrura, and Akrura is filled with immense ananda. Then, Duradradan Samavaruhyanamandamenam Uttapya Bhaktakulamauli Madhupaguhan Arshanmidaksharagira Kushalanyogi Panim Pragrihya Sabalodagृहं Nineda Duratradha Samavaruhyanamandamenam Uttapya Bhaktakulamauli Madhupaguhan Arshanmidaksharagira Kushalanyogi Panim Pragrihya Sabalodagृहं Nineda. Akrura immediately from far only he did pranam to Bhagavan, and then Bhagavan came, and then Bhagavan hugged him. Uttapya Bhakta Kula, Bhagavan lifted him, and Bhagavan embraced him. Upaguhan Harshan Mitakshara Gira, he couldn't speak. Akrura, nothing, no words came. Bhagavan is asking Kushala Prashna, Kushala Anuyogi. He's asking, how are you? How is everybody in Mathura, everything? And then taking Akrura's hands, Bhagavan and Balram take him inside. Panim pragrihya sabaloda griham nineda nandena sagamamidadanamarchaitva tam yadavam taduditam nishamayavatam gopeshu bhupati nidesha katham nivedya nana katha virihatena nishamanaishi. Nanda Baba and Krishna Balrama welcoming Akrura, and they ask everything. Tam Yadavam Taduditam Nishamayavata Gopeshu Bhupadi Nidesha Katham Nivedya. Now only Akrura is telling that Kamsa has sent him. So Kamsa is, as we said, Kamsa is very powerful. He has all same strength as Bhagavan. Then what is the only difference between Kamsa and Bhagavan? Bhagavan has all the strength. He has Aishwaryam Shankaradi Viniyamanam Vishwatejo Harana Tejas Samhari Vidyam Aishwaryam Yashas Tejas Jnanam Shri Vairagyam. These are 6 qualities, and it is Bhagavan. Kamsa also has all the power, but one problem he has. He has the ego. Bhagavan does not have. That difference. Ravana and Rama, what is the difference? The ego is the problem. If we have all the talent, but with ego, then it is not good. We have inner strength, but the ego is not there, then we will thrive more. So people like Kamsa and Ravana, they also have everything. The intelligence, the strength, the power, everything. But the ego is the problem. They are against Bhagavan. So when Kausalya Mata is telling, you are so gentle, Rama, how did you kill that 10-headed Ravana? And Rama says Ravana was killed by his own ego. The ego will finally bring the downfall. So you and I, we have to work on Aham Aikanam. Aham is our enemy. Aham Aikanam means Bhagavanta total relying. Adada we have to do, whether you are young or old, that is the urgent task for us. So that is only difference. So Akrura is telling, Kamsa has sent me to bring you for the Dhanur Yaga is going to do, and he wants you to bring. So that is why Tandena Sakam Amitadaram Archaitva Tam Yadavam Tadudidam Nishamaya Vartam Gopeshu Bhupadi Nidesha Katham Nivedya Nana Katha Virihatena Nishamanaishi. Like this, Bhagavan was talking to Akrura. Then he did not go and meet the gopis that night. So the gopis are wondering, where is our Krishna? Chandra grihe kimuda Chandra baga grihenu Radha grihenu bhavane kimu maitra vinde Dhutto vilambadaidi Pramada viruchaihi Ashankido nishi marutpuranadapaya Chandra grihe kimuda Chandra baga grihenu Radha grihenu bhavane किमु मैत्रविन्दे धूर्तो विलम्बदैः प्रमदाभिरुच्चैः आशङ्कितो निशिमरुत्पुरनादपायाः. One is very cunning person. Why is he not coming? All the gopis are talking. धूर्तो विलम्बदैः प्रमदाभिरुच्चैः आशङ्कितो निशिमरुत्पुरनादपायाः. Is Chandramani, is he there? Or is he in Chandrabhaga's house? Chandra grihe kimuda Chandrabhaga grihenu, or is he in Radha's house? Or is he in Mitravinda's house? Chandra grihe kimuda Chandrabhaga grihenu, Radha grihenu bhavane kimu maitravinde. Dhutto, Bhagavan is the very cruel, naughty one. So, gopis are wondering where he is. Dhutto vilambadaidi pramada viruchaihi Ashankito nishi marutpuranada paya. Like this wondering. Next sarga, the gopis are going to cry. Krishna will be leaving Vrindavana and going to Mathura and not come back for a long time. So they are all wondering, where is our Krishna? Where is Krishna? Dhutto vilambadaidi pramada viruchaihi Ashangido. Krishna, hey Guruvayurappa, please protect me. Nishi marutpuranada Paya Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandranandavabodhatmagamανupamidam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashadasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavad Sakshat Guru Pavanapuri Andabhagyam Janana. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.